Hello friends, you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. Let's get started.
Hello everybody, this is Savi and you watching the technology within a minute. We know that technology is changing day by day, and by using the latest technology you can make our lives more comfortable, more easier and better. Through this channel I will show different shortcut methods and techniques with a few optimized steps, and you will learn everything within a minute. That is, you will get optimized results within a minute. And here in this case we'll be using learning by doing approach to understand these things, right? And today's topic is regarding audio editing. Then without wasting time, let's get started. For audio editing we are having different softwares, but in our case we'll use Adobe Audition. It is not necessary to have the latest version of Adobe Audition. You can have any version of this one that will serve your purpose. Before starting this audio edition, we should consider a grand rule that you should never talk with a louder voice. You should always talk with a lower voice, and if it is required it can be optimized during post-processing. And also remember that the room where you are taking this audition, it should be as small as possible, and it should be full of curtains to absorb sound waves. There should not be any kind of echoes, right? Now let's move on to our laptop screen.
Hello viewers, you can see this is our Adobe Audition screen. First of all, we need to import that clip, and that can be obtained from here itself, or you can do one thing, Control I will import that clip, and by browsing you can select that one. Let us select this one. This is a raw file. Initially I'll show the raw file, how it is working and how it will be sounding, right? Let us listen to this raw file.
Hello viewers, today I'm going to show a safety heat transfer analysis through a surface condenser using SolidWorks 2022. This is the model you can see. For understanding the model in a better way, let us have a segmented view of this model. We can cut it from front plane and let us see what is the inside. Let us understand the working principle of this one.
What we'll do is we'll take the specific portion of this one and we'll cut the remaining things, right? For cutting this, what we'll do is select this one and simple delete. So this part gone actually, right? Okay, so this is our clip, right? Now see, inside these clips we're having a lot of like unwanted things. These are actually unwanted things. Those things can be actually eliminated by selecting and right click of mouse, and then it should be made silence. Anyway, you can see if anything unwanted is there, that would be this noise that can be eliminated this way, right? These are unwanted. You can eliminate this one by right click of mouse and then silence. Done. Okay, these are also unwanted entities, so we can make it silence. Done. Now let us listen from the beginning what it is talking about.
Hello viewers, today I'm going to show a safety heat transfer analysis through a surface condenser using SolidWorks 2022. This is the model you can see. For understanding the model in a better way, let us have a segmented view of this model. We can cut it from front plane and let us see what is the inside. Let us understand the working principle of this one.
Okay, fine. So what we'll do is, first of all, you need to remove unwanted noise by using the silence, right? So this one may be having some kind of noise that can be removed. You can do it. If you have to make it bigger, so you can pan it or select this one and make it silence. Done. Now we're starting our first topic or first technique. So what you have to do is, in all cases you have to remove unwanted noise. That can be done using effects here. So first technique will be to use noise reduction, right? For noise reduction we're having different options, but the easiest and the best option is actually adaptive noise reduction. Actually in Adobe Premiere Pro we are having denoise. That is also a good one, but always try to remember that adaptive noise is better than denoise. Only 3 to 4 steps are required for this audio editing. First step should be adaptive noise reduction. Before that you have already removed some unwanted noises using silence. Next step will be adaptive noise reduction, and in this case we'll use the default setup. So apply, done. Sometimes it may so happen by using adaptive noise reduction, it may so happen that your sound maybe gets distorted. In that case you can go for special and vocal enhancer, right? Like if it is a male voice, it should be male. If it is female, you check in female one, but generally this is not needed. If sound gets distorted, in that case you can go for that one, right? So we are not accepting this one. So what we have done, we have selected only adaptive noise reduction, first step. Next step, again you have to come from effects, and it should be filter and equalizer. You should select parametric equalizer. This is the optimized result. So what can you do is you should select parametric equalizer, right? You can select custom default value, or best option should be to select from here custom and select loudness maximizer, done. Now from the third point here itself, you need to move it little bit down and make the first one little bit higher. So this is changing the bass. This one will make your bass higher, right? Let us apply and see how it is.
Hello viewers. Today I'm going to show a safety heat transfer analysis through a surface condenser using SolidWorks 2022. This is the model you can see. For understanding the model in a better way, let us have a segmented view of this model. We can cut it from front plane. And let us see what is the inside. Let us understand the working principle of this one.
Right? Fine. So if you want to make the base little bit more, then you can edit this one again, right? You should not make the base so high, right? If you like, you can make it little bit of more or little bit of less. That is as per your requirement or your liking. Again, see filtering and equalizer, parametric equalizer, right? If you want to make it little bit high, let us see how it is sounding. Let us make this one a little bit higher and see how it is sounding. The bass is increasing, right?
Hello viewers. Today I'm going to show a safety heat transfer analysis through a surface condenser using SolidWorks 2022. This is the model you can see. For understanding the model in a better way, let us have a segmented view of this model. We can cut it from front plane. And let us see what is the inside. Let us understand the working principle of this one.
So the base what we have applied, this is more, it is not required, so we'll go back. So undo it. You can go back. So the last step should be your effects, and you should apply amplitude and compression, and from here you have to go for hard limiter, and you should consider the default value of -1 decibel. Let us apply and see.
Hello viewers. Today I'm going to show a safety heat transfer analysis through a surface condenser using SolidWorks 2022. This is the model you can see. For understanding the model in a better way, let us have a segmented view of this model. We can cut it from front plane. And let us see what is the inside. Let us understand the working principle of this one.
You can see that first case some little bit of more gap is there. So select that part and simple delete or cut. From right button of mouse, just cut it. You can make this one little bit of more by dragging. You can make the space more and make this one completely noiseless by making it silence. Done. Any unwanted sound or noise can be made silence by selecting with right button of mouse, then silence. And if you find that gap is more, in that case you can cut that gap by selecting this one with right button of mouse. Then either you can cut it or you can make it silence as per your requirement. Silence made. Everything is complete. Now we can hear the final voice. So we have done very few steps only. If any unwanted sound was there, that sound was eliminated using silence option. Next one, we have used adaptive noise reduction. Second one, we have used parametric equalizer with loudness effect. And finally, in the last step, we have utilized hard limiter. This is not about complete audio editing. Excluding this one, we're having also a lot of other things, but these are the main steps. If you follow these steps, your audio will be much more better than the normal one. Finally, you have to save this one from file, save, and it will be saved as per your desired location. We can save it anywhere else, right? So this is all about our today's video. This is a very small introduction of audio editing using Adobe Audition, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. And if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.